As a motivational speaker, author and politician, Les Brown has risen to international prominence by delivering a high-energy message which tells people how to shake off mediocrity and live up to their greatness. Here are some of Les Brown's most powerful and inspiring quotes that can lead you to change your life. You can get the kind of results that you are looking for in life if you are willing to work smart to achieve them. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll land among the stars. A person with the right attitude says to himself or herself, I may be here in this situation, but it doesn't mean I have to stay here. When faced with a challenge, do you ask, why me? Or do you accept the opportunity for you to grow? Without a solid, realistic and detailed plan, the goal is nothing more than a pipe dream. And without the commitment to follow through on that plan and put forth the necessary effort, the dream is nothing more than a good intention. I haven't always been successful, but I've always had hope. I've always known that if I kept plugging away and doing my best, I'd be successful. Set a goal that's meaningful and compelling enough, and your skills, your knowledge and your effectiveness will expand in order to reach that goal. You decide what your limits are, and you decide your level of success. You are responsible for the time that you spend on this planet. No one can continually insult you or hurt your feelings without your permission. When you're strong enough and confident enough to speak the truth, you gain respect and influence. Are the people around you holding you back or empowering you to move forward? If your life is going nowhere, take a look at the group of people you hang around with. It is important to surround yourself with people who lift you up, encourage you, share your vision and inspire you. Too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears. Forgive yourself for your faults and your mistakes and move on. Act the way you want to be and soon you'll be the way you act. One of the most essential things you need to do for yourself is to choose a goal that is important to you. Get your ideas on paper and study them. Do not let them go to waste. Life has no limitations except the ones you make. If you put yourself in a position where you have to stretch outside your comfort zone, then you are forced to expand your consciousness and to strive and achieve. All of us need to grow continuously in our lives. The most successful people in life get that way by putting passion and commitment into their work. I often speak to people who wonder why they continue to fail. In many situations, they are concentrating their efforts in the wrong places. Period. Other people's opinion of you does not have to become your reality. I am often fascinated by the resiliency of some of the people I meet. Life keeps knocking them down, but in what seems to be outright defiance, they keep getting up, stronger and better than before. Accept responsibility for your life. Know that it is you who will get you where you want to go, no one else. When you want something, you have to be willing to pay your dues. Perfection does not exist. You can always do better and you can always grow. The difference between setting a goal and achieving it is in having a good plan and working it. Nobody is going to care more about your goals than you. Nobody is going to put more time in on them than you. You have to find your own source of hunger and motivation and let it drive you. Too many of us never realize our full potential because our fears block us. Honor your commitments with integrity. Are you taking your life for granted? Are you allowing your days to be consumed with boredom and frustration? Time is your most precious gift, not to be dwindled away in idleness or negativity. Making things happen in your life requires a faith, or an ability to believe that is unshakable, regardless of your circumstances. Sometimes we have to discard the tools that we have long depended on and look to new ones. This is especially true in businesses where changing technology demands workers have the ability to change with it. Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. You don't get in life what you want, you get in life what you are. You must take action now that will move you towards your goals. Develop a sense of urgency in your life. We have the capacity to change, to lead meaningful and productive lives by awakening our consciousness. Anytime you suffer a setback or disappointment, put your head down and plow ahead. I have learned that to get out of life what I expect, I must commit myself to beginning each day by concentrating on positive thoughts and focusing on my goals. Make a conscious effort to let go of fear and act from a sense of consciousness that will empower and protect you. You are strong, you are greater than the fear. You cannot expect to achieve new goals or move beyond your present circumstances unless you change. Dealing with life means taking advantage of each new challenge as an opportunity to learn and accomplish something new. It's important to me that money not be important to me. Don't let the negativity given to you by the world disempower you. Instead, give to yourself that which empowers you. If you have children who love and respect you, this too can be a sign of your success. You can make decisions like that about your life. If you are carrying strong feeling about something that happened in your past, they may hinder your ability to live in the present. You have to get rid of them. If you have no vision of yourself in the future, then you have nothing to live for. I don't dwell on the things that are too late to fix, but I do my best to get life's lessons and put them into action. Life is more meaningful when you are always looking to grow and working toward a goal. Every day of your life, you have the opportunity to mold your destiny by virtue of the actions you choose to take. You need to make a commitment, and once you make it, then life will give you some answers. If you don't program yourself, life will program you. Change is difficult but often essential to survival. You must see your goals clearly and specifically before you can set out for them. Hold them in your mind until they become second nature. There are winners, there are losers, and there are people who have not yet learned how to win. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Help others achieve their dreams and you will achieve yours. Your smile will give you a positive countenance that will make people feel comfortable around you. Always realize that you can get better. Your best work has not been done yet. Practice, practice, practice. Once you have committed to something and achieved it, you experience self-fulfillment, the feeling of success and empowerment. It is no fun to fail, but you must pick yourself up and get back in the race. The only way you can grow is to challenge yourself beyond your present circumstances. Forgive those who have hurt you. By focusing my attention on the solution to the problem rather than the problem, I was able to quickly turn what seemed like a major crisis into an opportunity. Positively charged people choose to react positively to life because they see no benefit in letting life get the upper hand. They don't assign blame or look for a cause when a problem occurs. They look for the solution. Your goals are the road maps that guide you and show you what is possible for your life. It is fine to achieve your accomplishments and savor your victories, but there is not enough time in life to reason your laurels for long. Goals help you channel your energy into action. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.